me with another. This is too easy. This is Meal Maker. 3 ingredients, my brain, your meal. Chicken, honey, baby spinach. I'm whacking that in the oven. I love chicken drumettes and wingettes. They're the ones that are the best bang for cluck, shall we say. You toss your wingettes and drumettes in your honey with some soy, like a honey soy combination, bit of oil till they're glazed, and then onto an oven tray which has been preheating as the oven preheats, so you're optimizing your energy. And then meanwhile, while that bakes in the oven until the chicken is cooked through, you are going to spin your baby spinach leaves in your salad spinner. Make sure they're nice and dry. And then you can actually make a lovely honey mustard vinaigrette to go on top of those baby spinach leaves just before you serve. Some rice in the rice cooker for your carb option, or maybe you've got some leftover noodles. You can even use 2-minute noodles. Leave the sachet out, just use the noodles to put as a base. Toss some honey, maybe some miso, maybe some soy through those noodles as well, and then pop it all up, bit of sesame seed on the top, and that is dinner done. If you're after some meal maker magic, come into the Good Guys for all your meal making needs.